In today's fast-paced world, mindfulness has become a buzzword that everyone seems to be talking about. Mindfulness is a mental state achieved by focusing one's awareness on the present moment, while calmly acknowledging and accepting one's feelings, thoughts, and bodily sensations. In this video, we'll explore the power of mindfulness for improving mental health and overall well-being. The benefits of mindfulness. Research has shown that mindfulness has a wide range of benefits. Practicing mindfulness has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It can also help people manage chronic pain, improve sleep quality, and boost the immune system. Additionally, mindfulness has been shown to improve cognitive function, including attention, working memory, and executive function. How to practice mindfulness? There are many ways to practice mindfulness, but the most common approach is to start with the breath. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position, and focus your attention on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. You can also practice mindfulness while doing everyday activities, such as walking or washing dishes. Simply focus your attention on the sensations of the activity, and be present in the moment. Impact on mental health. Mindfulness has been shown to have a positive impact on mental health. It can help people manage their emotions and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Mindfulness has also been shown to improve the ability to regulate emotions and reduce emotional reactivity. Additionally, mindfulness-based interventions have been shown to be effective in reducing symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for improving mental health and overall well-being. By practicing mindfulness, you can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and improve cognitive function. Mindfulness is easy to practice and can be done anywhere, at any time. With its many benefits, mindfulness is a practice that everyone should consider incorporating into their daily routine. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has inspired you to explore the power of mindfulness.